Ganito pala ang buhay, misis ng isang misis ko. Yan ang komento ng mga fans ni Bea Alonso matapos siyang mapanood sa isang product launch sa Makati. At ang mas nagpakilig sa lahat ay nang ipakilala ni Bea ang sarili bilang Mrs. Bea Alonso ko. Matapos ang kanyang July wedding sa businessman na si Vincent Ko. Nag-share rin ang aktres ng ilang personal story tungkol sa kanyang buhay bilang bagong may asawa, na siyang dahilan para mas lalo namang ma-excite at kiligin ang kanyang fans. Kapansin-pansin din ang masayang pagtanggap ng crowd sa bagong Mrs. Ko, na tila patuloy na namumuhay sa kanyang bagong chapter bilang isang married woman. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa blooming and glowing na bagong Mrs. Ko? Share your comments below.
Kasalanan ko. Bakit kasalanan ko? Kasi yes or no lang, pwede mo ma-expound mamaya.
Pwede. Pero mag-suspense natin.
Parang Gina naman ako. Yes, I'm more paying. Ayan na.
Sige, kasi language of love mo.
Yun, habang hinintay natin, mag-iba kasi kami ng love language. Yung love language na service and quality time. Ako naman thought, physical touch and words of affirmation. Oh, see.
It is the truth!
So we show our love in different ways. But ako yung I love you, massage, ganyan, mahal.
So ngayon na you're 1 month into your marriage na, nasan yung heart mo, yung arrangement, you're so happy, but you get to see this person all the time.
Yes, I'm really happy in my wife and our love. I look forward to going home to see him. No matter how chaotic the world gets, I know that there's someone waiting for me at home who loves me. And, wow, ba't ganito na yun? But yeah, I'm enjoying this chapter of my life 100%. And, okay, don't judge what I did. Now everyone knows I did.
Did she say I love you first too, Vincent?
Pero sinagot niya agad.
As a lover girl.
Oh, I'm really a hopeless romantic. I never give up on love.
Yeah.
And there should you ever give up on love.
Ang pag-usapan natin is, huwag ka na stop part talaga na tambay. Pero if you're really sure na rin kasi, di ba?
No. And I don't know. Whenever I think that I say, kasi baka end of the world na. If you love someone, just let them know.
This is the sign that you have been waiting for. Biglang magkakaano dito, magkakarelasyon sila after this.